Hi, it's Angeline. Happy birthday, Unity Stamp! It's their birthday this week and we have some fun birthday releases, and I'm gonna show you how to create an easy slider card. So I've already stamped all the balloons and colored them on my white cardstock, and also colored the birthday cake in some rainbow colors, and I've already die cut this slit for the slider using the Lawn Fawn slide on over die. This is just an easy piece, and all you need to do is just add some foam adhesive right at the back of your piece, and also grab a piece of coin or shilling and just add some foam adhesive to the middle of it. This has got to be a thick foam because you want your birthday cake to be on top. So remove all the backing from the foam adhesive from your main piece and put your coin right at the back of it before you adhere it to your cut piece. Next, just place on your birthday cake and you're done. So easy, we're just sliding on to the birthday party next. Thanks for watching this quick tip and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!